Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 dog theme coins by market cap. We're going to start with Shiba Inu, followed by WIF, BONK, FLOKI, Doge, CORGIAI, OSAK, BABYDOGE, MYRO, and then we'll end with NEIRO on ETH. Let's get straight into it. Shiba Inu. Okay, so here we are for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu did slice through the skinny pink line. We rose up. There was a retrace. Are we going to continue higher? I don't know, bros. It looks to me like we could be heading back under the skinny pink line, which is not good, but I still can't deny the fact that this is a falling channel, so Shiba Inu could very well just start spiking back up. But from a trading standpoint, yeah, there's just nothing much for us to work with, so we're gonna have to be patient and wait for something clearer. Dogwifhat, WIF against USD. Here we are for WIF. Okay, let's go to Gate. So on Gate, WIF is, we have a target over here, 1.35, but we, are up. We are open to the possibility that WIF could form an inverse head and shoulders over here. All right, as it stands, we're still not entirely sure. We're about to take out the highs over here. So we were saying that once you take out these highs, we'll consider this target to be invalidated, right? For now, technically, it still is on 135 because WIF could just start heading back down, form a head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, bam! We slam down, right? But as it stands, yeah, WIF is still looking good. So we're anticipating the continuation of WIF towards the upside. BONK. Okay, if you look at BONK against USD, we look at it on Gate. BONK is still above the skinny pink line. Yes, there was a very long down period, and just suddenly, pum! It started going bananas. Yeah, okay, so for BONK, we could be getting a squeeze over here, right? You see this A, up B, down C, up D. Oh, this whole thing could be a wave E. And BONK could be heading higher. At the same time, we are right at the skinny pink line. So if BONK hits down here and hovers around the support here and go close to the skinny pink line, we could be collapsing much lower. But as it stands, technically we're still in a bullish trend. You just need more confirmation first, because BONK can still go both ways. See this? Mountain, 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 mountain. Yes. Or zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Right? We keep seeing lower highs and higher lows. A squeeze, right? A, B, C, D, E. Pump breakout. We're not too sure though. We're not too sure. Maybe, okay. If we start slowing down, right, and we can detect another falling channel over here, then maybe we could see the breakout come on for BONK, right? But as it stands, yeah, nope. BONK is a no-go. FLOKI against USD. Here we are for FLOKI. FLOKI is above the skinny pink line, but at the same time, this is a head and shoulders. It cannot be denied that this is a head and shoulders. Could this be a head and shoulders failure as we go higher? Yeah, sure. But as it stands, no, this looks bearish to me. It looks pretty bearish, to be honest. So, yeah, FLOKI looks bearish. But the thing is, we're technically still in a bullish trend. So, oh man, FLOKI is a little bit difficult at the moment. But if we had to choose the trend, right, that could be coming, yeah, the trend is, we're expecting bearish. But there's no confirmation yet. So all we know is that there's a support line over here that's been tested twice. And if you test it for the third time and fourth time and fifth, yeah, then we could be heading lower. So be careful about rushing into FLOKI. Dog, go to the moon. Dog against USD. Here we are for Dog. On Gate, we are marking around. Nothing much for us to work with. Again, noisy area over here. We are right at the upper portion. Is this enough to propel us higher? Or could we be heading lower? If we head too low, right, this could be a mountain by itself. Sure, there could be a rally. I suspect there could be a second mountain and a third mountain. That could be heading lower. But if you do head higher, then hey, great. But as it stands, yeah, no strong opinion on Dog. CORGIAI. So for CORGIAI, we are already under the skinny pink line. Any high quality tradable chart pattern for us? Nope. Could we be already? Yeah, this is a bearish trend. If anything, we're anticipating more downside, right? There is a noisy area over here, super noisy. So we are heading towards that area. So be careful about rushing into CORGIAI. Osaka protocol. Let's look at Osaka. For Osaka protocol, we have a target fresh out of the target for you towards the upside. Osaka protocol is expected to head towards 0 and then 6 zeros, and then there's an 8. Right now we are at 0, 6 zeros, and there's a 2. So there's still more upside that we're expecting for Osaka protocol. If we had to count the waves, this is a 1, down for a 2, up for a 3, down for a 4, one more wave higher for a 5. You see that? From where we are to the target is roughly another 200%. So more upside is to be expected for Osaka protocol, right? 200% will be around 4 or 6. Yeah, it's still under a billy though. In my opinion, it's entirely possible, but of course no guarantees, right? This is also a potential descending triangle. Zoom. The moment we head under the skinny pink line, that's it. Bearish trend. But we're still above it, so technically still more upside. And this is, yeah, again, technically a wave 5. Wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we're expecting this. So 0.6 zeros, and there's an 8 over here. So more upside is to be expected for Osaka protocol. But you want to time your entries pretty well, right? You don't want to go into trades when things are rising. You want to enter when things are falling lower. So as it stands, yeah, again, would be great though if we get something clearer, but as it stands, yeah, nope. Yeah, more likely than not, 0.6 zeros, and then there's an 8. More upside, 200% more towards the upside for Osaka protocol. Baby Doge coin. Let's look at Baby Doge. Baby Doge. Okay, so for Baby Doge against USD, we are, yeah, right over here. So we were saying that Baby Doge tends to fall towards the lowest noisy area of the correction, right? So there was a correction that came over here, lowest noisy area. Are we gonna stop here? I'm not too sure. But if you look at the past history, right, Baby Doge has this knack of dropping lower and rising higher, you know, zigzagging down and up and down and up and down. Yeah, it's a very, very tight consolidation for Baby Doge. If and when Baby Doge breaks out, oh, it's gonna be big. We had these two targets way back. The first one way back in May 2023, right? This is a how many percent, bro? Hey, this is a 2000% increase towards the upside. So yeah, again, we're still loyal to our targets until we take out this low, right? It's still valid. So yeah, but the only thing is that we don't know how much longer the accumulation is gonna last. Baby Doge has been accumulating since 2021. It's already been 1,000 days that it has been going sideways. So the thing about Baby Doge is if we think that it's going to go higher, it is smart to be buying Baby Doge when it's low, right? Even if there's another rally, right, and it doesn't break out, you can always sell some over here and wait for the retrace. So every chart has its own personality, and this is just how Baby Doge coin behaves. MYRO against USDT. Here we are for MYRO. Let's look at it on Gate. Anything for MYRO? No. Can we look at it here on Text Tools? MYRO is 8 months ago. It was around since 8 months ago. Anything for us to work with for MYRO? No. What's happening? Yeah, we're kind of in a falling channel. So falling channels usually break higher. If the preceding trend is bullish, then the subsequent one should be bullish as well. Right. Where are we? But we're 130 million market cap. Would be great though if we get something clearer. Maybe an inverse head and shoulders over here. Right. To see a strong rally would be awesome. But as it stands, yeah, no. Stay safe, man. Stay safe, because we could still get mountain ranges and head lower. Right. You might be expecting, hey, inverse head and shoulders over here. Let's go. Yeah, nope. Drop lower. Right. But yeah, again, nothing much for us to work with for MYRO at this point of time. NEIRO. Okay, NEIRO is super new. Super new. NEIRO on ETH. Okay, 3 days ago. It's the only one that's rising. NEIRO on Sol is not rising, but on ETH is rising. NEIRO is like the mother of Kabosu, right? She bought a new dog and named the dog NEIRO. Anyway, if you look carefully, right? Look, if you look carefully, this was a ascending triangle. Valley 1, Valley 2, a small little valley. Breakout. You see this? Again, there's a squeeze over here. Palm, breakout. Again, symmetrical. Palm, breakout. Again, something like an inverse head and shoulders. Out, came back down. Again, symmetrical triangle. It's out! It's like, oh my god, NEIRO is just going bananas. Bananas towards the upside. So anything for us to work with for NEIRO? Nope. So you see, chart patterns may tell you, right, where the direction of things are going. If, again, always look at the preceding trend. Preceding trend is bullish. Subsequent trend should be bullish, 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 right? But the only thing is where and how much higher are we going to go, right? So if you were to move up to, let's say the 4 hours, right? Okay, let's look at the 1 hour. Okay, so if you look at the 1 hour, right, there's a strong sell over here. So the whales have already been selling NEIRO at these levels. Once you see a strong big candlestick, right, the end may not be too far away. Sure, they may be pushing it higher, but the whales have already started selling. So be careful about rushing in for NEIRO without a chart pattern, right? It's very dangerous. But if you were to zoom into the smaller time frames, you will see the chart patterns as it continues higher. Clear continuation chart patterns towards the upside. So yeah, that's NEIRO for you. Alright, boys and girls, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!